Hi all, welcome back to GTL Labs YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about backend instruction functionality in IFS. Basically, packing instructions define how items are packed, including packing materials, dimensions and the method of packing items for the shipping and handling purpose. As you can see it in here, this particular pallet consists of 18 boxes. In a one box, there can be a number of items consist of. So how we define this structure and how we can use it in the IFS application for the shipping and inventory handling purpose, this is the basic jargon that we are going to discuss today. I will get into the application now. I will start by creating a handling unit type. First of all, I will create a pallet and a box based on our given criteria. First of all, I am going to create a handling unit type called Euro pallet. I can add the description in here. And for the handling unit type category, this is the basic data we can add to categories, the handling units. And then I can define the respective width, height and depth of the packing handling unit. And if there is a volume required for you to calculate it, we can define volume as well. So I have created a pallet now, then I will go and create a Euro carton box. I will not name it as a Euro box. I will edit the description as well based on the requirement. And I will select the category as I say boxes. I will edit the dimensions to the 2 and I will save it. In my packing instruction, I will have one pallet and 18 boxes. I will go to the packing instruction window and I will create a new packing instruction. I would say Euro packing 1 and add the description as well. First of all, I will define the parent node in the top level. It will be the Euro pallet with number of units 1 on the top level, and if it needs to define any SSCC IDs, I can put it as yes. So for each handling unit, we can generate SSCC IDs and then one handling unit consists of one pallet. There are 18 boxes can be stacked into one pallet, so I will add the Euro boxes in here. So I am having 18 boxes in here and parent node is this. So in here I have defined my packing instruction. 18 boxes can be stacked in one pallet. And further I can add accessories as well underneath. So in here I can add, let's say, bubble wrap. I need 6 meters, then I can save it. So I have the accessories defined. Then what I'm going to do is I'm selecting a part and then adding a handling unit capacity for that part. Let's say in one particular box there can be 10 parts stacked in. So if I go back to my part number and go to the handling unit capacity in here, I'm adding my handling unit type as Euro boxes and maximum capacity as 10 per box. And this is the unit of measure. You can add multiply handling unit types for a part, but for the time being, I have added this. And then what I will do is, I will navigate back to the inventory part in stock window and try to search for this part number. So you will see there are 985 quantities in here. In this stock, and if I go back to the another window called handling unit in stocks and search for the same part number, so you will see there is no handling units for this part. So I will go back to the inventory part in stock and I will click on handling unit. So there are two options available: pack in according to handling unit capacity and pack according to pack-in instruction. First of all, I will click on pack according to handling unit capacity. So for each box consists of 10 units. As the next step, I am telling to pack quantity of 100. So I will click OK. Now you will see handling unit capacity. Handling unit in stocks, where there are 10 handling units defined with different handling unit IDs. And each handling unit consists of quantity of 10. As the next step, I am trying to pack according to pack-in instructions. So I will go to handling unit in here and click on pack according to pack-in instructions. Then I am selecting the pack-in instruction in here and a number of units I need to pack according to this pack-in instruction. So I am packing 180 and I will click OK. So you will see now I have created a one pallet in here, and then one pallet consists of 18 boxes. So this is the total handling unit structure. So you will see the top level and the respective boxes underneath of it. So this is another method of using pack-in instructions. So pack-in instructions get used when it comes to shipping. In terms of creating a custom order, we can add respective pack-in instructions, and in terms of receiving materials from shop order, we can use pack-in instruction. And in terms of receiving items from a purchase order, we can receive according to pack-in instructions. Likewise, there are multiple avenues where we can use pack-in instructions in IFS applications. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to GTL Labs for more content like this. Do you have any thoughts or questions? Please share them in the comment section. We would like to hear from you.